Hello everyone, and welcome to the Sprint Review meeting video for Sprint 2 for the Agent team. My name is Dane Parchment and I'll be leading you through this video. The meeting started on the 9th of June on 2018 at 2 p.m. and ended around 2:30 p.m. All team members were able to attend, which included myself, Alejandro Vidal, Jesus Cabrera, Dario Gonzalez, and Daniel Garcia. In terms of the user stories that we were all working on, these included user stories number 2719, number 2842, number 2868, number 2801, number 2871, and 2684. So starting from how everyone did, I'll start with Alejandro and work down. So Alejandro was working on user story 2719, which was the editing of the user profile. In terms of completion, it is unfinished. The reason being he needs to work on the implementation of another user story, number 2900, first. For myself, Dane Parchment, I was working on user story number 2842, which was the agent account verification. This included the creation of the agent user, logging in and registration, and then the verification with the administrator for that agent. Currently, it is unfinished. The back end is completely done. I just need to hook everything up with the front end, and once that's done, my user story is completed. Daniel Garcia was working on the Vagrant, which was user story number 2868. He completed it. He's just working on the video for said project. Dario Gonzalez was working on user stories 2801 and 2871, which were the email issues and then the static database information that needed to be working on the development and production environments. He was able to complete both of his user stories and is just waiting for them to be merged to the main repo. Jesus Cabrera was working on the uploading a profile picture user story, which was 2684, and it is also unfinished. He had problems with the user creation that that set him back, as well as the backend implementations that need to be fixed. The reason being the actual upload feature he needs to work on himself, and the file type feature for some reason does not bind to the on-change events. So once he figures out that issue and implements the upload feature himself, he'll be done with his user story. For the user stories that are unfinished, which were Alejandro, myself, and Jesus, we are moving those user stories on to the next sprint for completion. Daniel and Dario will be working on new user stories for the next sprint. In terms of rejections, nothing that we put forward was rejected by Masood Sajadi, our product owner. So for now, nobody has anything on the rejection backlog. So in summary, 2 of our members are able to complete all of their user stories and are moving on to new user stories, and 3 of our members are pushing forward their current user stories into the next sprint. So thank you for watching this video, and we hope you have a nice day.